Asian-inspired pumpkin soup. Prepare the ingredients. Chop 4 cups of pumpkin into 5 cm pieces. Chop 2 cups of sweet potato into 5 cm pieces. Chop 2 cups of carrots into 5 cm pieces. Roughly chop 1 onion. Grate 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Chop 1 small chilli. Heat a large saucepan over a high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of water to the saucepan. Add the onion, the ginger, the garlic and chilli and saute for 1 minute. Add 4 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of miso. Add 1 tablespoon of tamari. Stir well and bring to the boil. Add the pumpkin, sweet potato and carrots. Add the homemade coconut milk. Reduce the heat and simmer until the vegetables are tender. Place in a blender and puree until smooth consistency, then serve with crusty wholemeal bread.